until someone's ready for bed. Come on. Let's eat.
Come on. You can do this.
It's really good, Hannah.
It's really
Guys,
good.
Just hold that
It's
fork
only
right
like
at the end of the fork.
Like, if the tongue doesn't really it doesn't really taste the salad, it won't make it so it will make it so I eat all of it. If the tongue doesn't taste all of it.
Hannah, look. Very simple. You want some help? You always like it when Daddy feeds you. Do you want some help? We'll start with a small piece of lettuce, okay?